Presenting Sony Alpha ILCE 6400 24.2 megapixel mirrorless camera body. It also comes in other style variants as without headphone and power bank. The camera comes with real-time IAF and real-time tracking, world fastest 0.02 second AF speed with 425 phase detection and contrast points, 24.2 megapixel EXMOR CMOS sensor with outstanding light sensitivity. It also has 11 FPS continuous shooting with AF/AE, 180-degree tiltable touch LCD screen, ISO sensitivity up to 102400, high resolution, sensitivity and color reproduction capability. The camera has smooth and stable AF, durability for up to 200,000 shutter cycles, hybrid log gamma support for instant HDR workflow.